How to fix when the QR code is not working on your Android phone. So at first, just get inside your camera app like this, because this is what you use to scan the codes, and just tap on the options in here. So you can see a couple of like dots in there, which expands this mode, and you can get to the gear icon, which is for the settings. And it kind of depends on the specific model you have, but mostly you will have the button or toggle for scanning QR codes, and most likely it is not going to be turned on if it's just not possible to scan codes. So make sure you enable it like this, and then come back to the camera mode as well, like usual, right? Just make sure you have like a QR code ready and try to point your camera at it, and you should be able to see it recognized like this, right? And you should be able to just scan the code, right? So you'll be able to find it. Like, it depends, of course, there might be some other factors in it there, like make sure that the lighting is correct and that you point the camera properly at it. But if everything is fine, then you should be able to read the codes properly and have the ability to scan them. But if nothing works, then you still have the ability to go to the Play Store and look up a dedicated QR code scanner app. So sometimes the built-in camera isn't good enough, and you can explore an app which has been designed specifically with this purpose. You can see it has like 500 million downloads, so it's gonna be like made for this specifically. And using this app, you'll probably need to like allow the camera access like this, and you'll be able to point the camera at the QR code, and it is likely going to be a lot faster. You can see that everything was much quicker, and it actually works using the third-party app. So let me know what you think about it below. Definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.